Who like big gun? Big boy!
You bring McDonald!
You got McDonald for me? I see him, I see him. Fuck. Where is he at?
Right here.
You're dead! He's dead.
Yeah. Good job. Your tank is down. This is.
Oh, trying to do a surprise attack, huh?
We're coming for you, sucker.
Yo!
It's moving straight to our left. It's parallel to our 12. It's moving straight across.
I see him.
Careful, close that window.
I see him. I think they're gonna unload on this side. Watch your guys at 6. I think they're gonna unload some guys on that side.
Hey, get to the front side of the building.
Shift fire this side, guys.
No, hey, no, not down there. Hey, here. Get to the front side, maybe the outside of the building with the cover up there. We'll let you know when the tank's coming around. Get back in here. Or they're gonna unload on you, guys. Shit! Rock. Get back in.
I'm in.
He's dead.
Nice.
Okay,
Where's that tank?
what I was trying to get you
Oh, he's right there.
to grab, what we were trying to get you guys to grab was one of the ones from in here. Yeah, or I do like this. They know what you mean if you have to do like this.
He's learned not to get really fucking close to the building. He can reach you from there, just let you know.
Wait, how did you guys get him? I wasn't there. I think
Oh,
me
thank
and
you.
Dana were the bit.
Hit him with a grenade.
Hey, try to play this way. Get ready to move. Guys, get ready to move.
Where are we moving to?
Tank is circling this way. Move out of the way.
Get out of his line of fire, so.
Keep your heads down.
He's backing up now.
Yep.
Yeah, no, I hit one over there.
You need your rifle?
No.
Don't open it all the way.
Do you have anything to kill the tank with?
This is the only thing that does. I've killed it twice already.
Did you? Oh, hey, I found another. Do you need a football?
Yeah. If you got him, fine, give him to me. Alright, they're stopping in the back again, guys.
We found it.
I'm gonna go run and grab it. Are you sure with a tank out there?
Dude, the tank's fucking further that side. Yeah, he's circling around.
Do you actually use that sight when you shoot the tank, or do you just?
No, I just hit it. I got it. I've been using it close range. The tank's on the left side. I can't tell if there's guys getting unloaded or not. Brad, you want the launcher to try to take out that tank? It's on fire right now.
I don't know how to aim that bitch.
It's fucking do it. I mean, it's basically straight. Watch this out.
Oh shit! I see a tank.
He's on the right now.
So what I'm thinking is once he goes back this way again, you sneak along those buildings, wait for him to clear and pop it.
Cross right now.
He's crossing this way? Yeah, I was standing out there.
Yup, he's coming parallel. You'll get a shot in his face.
Oh shit.
Watch out, Brad. We gotta.
Oh yeah, because we're mocking him.
No, how to drop it.
Standing out there to keep it. Awesome.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we're just loaded.
I'm looking for it.
He's right. He's straight ahead of me. Moving left. Moving to the one.
Lower down.
It's a saw gun, so I mean it's 400, 420.
But luckily they're 249, so maybe one will break on.
I'm thinking that's what happened already.
One of them jammed, I know that at one point. I don't know if they cleared it or what. But I was going through the woods. I got close enough to the tank to hear them say, yeah, we're jammed.
Yeah, he has a cut 3 or 4 8. He's got
Blue.
yeah.
Pop that thing open.
Yeah, we're not looking.
Fuck. I don't know where it went. Close it. I don't even know where it went, dude. Did you see where it went?
No, I was back here.
I didn't even see where it went, bro. Shit. And so can you.
So it shoots football.
Yep.
Coming back. Straight back. Yep, it's straight back. Go. You ready?
Wait, is it guys or is it
Three.
tanks?
Thanks just for
I need one more.
Yep, it's there. You got a clear shot.
Yeah, let's do a big hole. I can play it.
Fuck off!
Hey, contact!
Roger!
Left side.
Right side!
Hit. You hit? Hey, Jess.
Hit. We need a medic over here.
here.
Oh, you're clear, Jess. We got a minute. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I know.
That one on the left.
Oh, hit. Medic. Medic.
Right there, dude. Get him?
Yep.
Sweet! Take down!
Tanks down.
Take down!
Where is the tank right now?
Tank's sitting in that corner. We got guys on it. Some guys are infiltrating that left side.
What? I don't see the tank.
Tank's sitting in that corner on the right. On that the far left corner.
Oh, I see it.
We got guys in that fucking building, far building.
There we go! There we go!
You got it?
All for you, son! We just took the tank out!
Nice!
For you. Take down! Let's go!
Fuck yeah, man.